Hey guys, welcome in this new review of the Red Sun's Inferno track from Monkie Kid. This is a big set, so there's a lot to show off to you guys, and just sit down, grab some coffee or alcohol and enjoy the review. So let's get into it. This is Monkie Kid, and he has his staff with the golden pieces at the end. Really nice piece. And he has his nice boots that are printed with his shirt with a pen sticking out and Pigsy's logo. At the back he has Pigsy's logo a lot bigger printed, which looks really nice. And I love the bandana hairpiece combo. His first face looks a little bit angry, and his second face is quite scared. This is May, and she has a really nice shirt. And as you can see, that this piece of the dragon is the same as the necklace piece she has, which is really cool. This is not a book, but it's a laptop. I like the light color here on her arms, and at the back she also has the same dragon logo, which is really cool. On this computer it's a sticker, and the inside has just a printed computer piece, and this is a sticker that shows off the cloud bike. That is another set that you can get from Monkie Kid. I also like her hair piece with the green print on it, and this is her first face, which looks kind of standard, and this second face of hers is angry. This is Lee, and I think she is the shopkeeper of the panda shop. She has a little menu or a bento box. I think this is more a box filled with food that have to be delivered everywhere by Monkie Kid. I like that this print on her shirt is the same kind of color as her pants, and I really like the big glasses that she has printed on her face. At the back she also has some green prints that move forward into these jeans, which is really cool. And here she has a very scared face. And I think this headpiece also showed up in one of the hidden side sets. The bento box or menu shows off a print with some Chinese or Japanese language and Pigsy's logo. This is Red Sun, and he's the villain of the set. He has some really epic prints, and he has like a flamethrower or something, and if you take it off, he just is holding it in his hand. A really nice necklace and leg printing. His face is really nice with his little glasses or sunglasses. His hairpiece is epic with this little flame here or highlight. He has some clothes on him. And underneath it is no printing. But at the back of his shirt he has some printing. As the second face he has kind of evil way of smiling without the glasses. It's a really nice villain to have. The Iron Bull pieces minifigs you're getting are Snort, Grunt and Roar. These are kinda all the same minifigs but just with different names. They have nice printing at the front, not a lot of printing on the legs. They don't have printing on the legs. At the back they have some like robot printing. And I really like that this is a robot, like in the form of a bull. Its helmet piece is new with a nice nose ring piercing. These horns can be taken off and then just connected in a hole. Helmets are really cool. And their headpiece is just orange hat without any printing on it. It would have been nice if they had a little bit of printing. Just some eyes or something. But we get this awesome helmet piece, which is really nice to show you. But the other bowls are exactly the same. So if you have a lot of sets, you kind of have so much of the same minifigs of these bowls. But it's okay, because you could make like a really big army of it. That's just so cool to make. They don't come alone, they have their own kind of vehicle. Let's see if it sticks. They're coming with this black bike, and I really like that they have a black bike in one of the Lego sets. It's just so cool. And this is a really nice piece that they added it to the bike to make it look like a bull bike, and it's really nice. Really nice color to get a bike in. This is the Pigsy's delivery bike. Pigsy is not included in this set, but you get this nice bike, and there's some sticker at the back, some crate and some menus. You can take these pieces off really easy by these 4 studs. It's just an empty crate without any stickers on the side. Really nice to get. And one of these bento boxes or menus. Oh, if you have a lot of these sets, you have so much of these boxes with menus on it, and it's really cool. So this is like a crate, I think, and I don't know what these pieces are, but I think they used in the Village Winter set of last year. And you have some poles at the side. This roof can be taken off kind of easy. And has Pigsy's head. I'm not sure what this is, but these are some horns, I think, to make some noise, or some speakers. There's a steering wheel, there's some lights at the front with some lightning or something as well. I'm not sure what this is. Really nice little wheels. That these pieces are really old in Lego, so it's just cool to get them. And you can clip Monkie Kid's staff to the side, and he can sit down. Alright, the vehicle. It has a little bit of, it's not or horizontal, it's kind of to the side, so it looks a lot faster than it is. And this is the fun part. Inside of this box, which is just a headpiece on this piece, you get some of these white colored pieces that are used as cream topping, but they are buns in these series, and you are getting this white frog. A white frog. Have we ever seen that in Lego? And I think they even are going to use this frog in the architecture set of next year for the roof detailing, because it's a really nice print, and they're not just going to reprint this and recolor this and never use it again. They will use these white frogs in some more sets, I think. It's just really cool to get. You can clip this on, and that's Pigsy's bike with Monkie Kid in it delivering some food. Really cool. You also get this tree with this orange flowers on the top, and one leaf is fallen down. There's another bento box, 2 cups of coffee or whatever is in there, and you also get a green frog, so the original color is in this set as well, which is cool. And there is a leaf here as well. These are just clipped on here, as you can see. Really nice piece to get. This is the little side build you're getting. It's not big, it's not too little, it's just perfect for a little shop. There is an ATM with some money stacked up inside. There are some really nice stone pieces which remind me of the Ninjago docks. There is a security camera, which looks more like a camera you would take on a vacation or something. There's a fan. There's something sticking out at the side. There's some these to get like the television working inside. An antenna. I really like this design of the pieces. These are all stickers, these are stickers, these are stickers, and these are stickers, and they better would have been prints, because it's not really easy to put on, but it's not the hardest job, but it would have been better if they were prints. Now let's go to this hat. It's easy to just pop off. It's connected by these pieces. I like this pink at the side, like he's blushing. And as you can see, these are pants used as ears. Cool. This door is a nice handle. And inside you can see like a fridge and some bolts. So let's go to the inside. You even have a golden frog. So you have 3 frog colors. And it's so cool. Here's this television I was talking about. I'm not sure what this shows. It's like it's broken. So they would have to go up to the roof and work on this antenna to get it working again. I think that's the story. I'm not sure again. You can take this out easy. Yeah, some cups of coffee, some, I don't know what this is, chocolate milk or something. Or milkshake. And these are some bottles. What I think was interesting was if you have like one of these bottles, you see like the printing on top. It says Lego. Yeah, you can really see it if you add it to it. If you put it on, you can see the printing really clear. So it's kind of new for Lego to have these glass pieces, glass looking pieces with printing on top. I'm not sure if they did that before. This is a rack. I'm not sure why there is one on top or what this stands for. The second one is empty and this one has 2 bananas. And just like the frogs, these are white, and maybe these are going to be used as well in the architecture set of 2021. I'm not sure, or if they're going to use this in other sets. And it's just really cool to get white bananas, I think. Because mostly they are yellow, so why would they be white? I don't know. It's cool. We also got some gold ones in the Ninjago Bounty set. So that's cool. It's the build, and you can add this piece to the side. These pins, and then you have 2 pins left to add another part. So I think they will continue doing some sets with some little fun side builds that you can add to each other, which is really cool to collect. This is the big truck, and I like this design. I think it's cool with these Nexonite pieces. There's just a lot going on. At the side you see much printing. Inside here you have a hot dog, as you can see, with a black sausage. Another weird coloring. Why would they make it black? These pieces can be taken off. So, as well as on the other side. These are some lava pieces, which we will get to in a second, what you can do with that. At the back you have some of these shooters, and you have some chainsaws. that you can use to break something open. A little hook with some detailed horns at the top. On the other side, you some of these printed pieces, which are really nice to get. And on top, you have 2 chairs, and you have another chair here with a steering wheel, which is for this piece, I think. There is another steering wheel in this as well. Some dynamite. Some pieces, and I'm not sure what this is. It's like a cup with a horn underneath it. Must be some kind of weapon, I think. There are some teeth pieces here. It's a really fun build, and yeah, I like this a lot. And here's a play feature, which I will show in a second. This is all really nice, and what's fun to do is you can lift this up. Also has some stickers here and here, and then the side. You can lift this up, and they can kind of steer from inside here. So that's what happens if it covers up this. And this just looks kind of weird to me. Doesn't look quite nice. Now what you can do is you push this piece, and it will release this card. And it's just how hard you push this. You can just smash it like this, and then it will shoot really far. But that will kick this card off of my table, and then I'm not able to show it to you. So I'm just doing it easy. It has some flames, some iron pieces here, a lantern, which I'm not quite sure what it means. On the other side as well, some pins to connect it to the truck, and I think this is more like a bike kind of vehicle. Some stickers on the side, and what I really like is these phone pieces. You get like 4 telephone pieces that are for the front design, which I really like. This is nice to get these pieces to just shove everything up from the side, or to ram something. And this piece has a diamond inside, and you are getting spare diamonds in Lego sets lately. So you're getting a second diamond, which is really cool. Just like the other pieces that you're getting, like these little pieces, you're getting spares of, but you're also getting spare diamond, which is really cool. There's a steering wheel or some joystick thing. Not really steady. Gets off really easy. I like this big wheel. I like these 2 wheels. Kind of steady. And this is a sticker. Another sticker that's not really easy to put on, but it's okay. Some of these lava pieces. And this is Metal Beers. metal beard, I think. Cool piece to get in like another use. Some studs here to show off a lava kind of thing, and true stickers here. This is a really nice and interesting build. At this thing also. Again, stud shooter. And on the side here, you're getting 3 pieces that you can add some extra studs on both sides. So if you lose these studs, you have another 6 studs that you can also lose if you shoot them somewhere where you can't find them back. Let's put this in. It goes really easy. You just push it and you just launch it. So that's one play feature, same as the stud shooter is another fun play feature. And now these cannons, really cool. Let's see if I can take one off. Yeah, I can. These are just have this round piece inside. All you do is you put this in here, and then you just flick it like this. You shoot it away. That's what they show on sets as well. You just do it like that, and instead of pushing it, you do it a little harder to shoot them away. Also, this is not horizontal, so they get on a little bit rounded. And I think these 2 chairs on the side here, also black chairs, which is really cool to get. And this is some red button here, and this is a keyboard piece. It's printed, like see that I put it on wrong. It has to be like this. So I think one person will look for the exact place to launch it, and this person will launch it, which is cool. You can get these lava pieces or whatever it is, bombs or something, right here. These are some connection pieces that you can put some figure on. You can also sit one down here on the chair if you like. And this still fits over it. You can see it sitting in there, which is really cool. I'm not sure if there's a piece where you can stack this weapon up. You can use red sand to grab this steer and just let him hang here, and then you can drive this, and I'm not sure if he fits inside. Yeah, he fits even inside of it, so a figure on here fits and a figure on here fits as well, which is really cool. Another play feature is this ETM. As you can see, this is a connection technique pin. You can smash it out. So you can either smash it out like this, and it throws out money, which is cool. Or you can connect this hook on here. I think, yeah, like this, and you can tear it out. How cool is that? So there are 2 play features with this ETM. So the main story is that they are robbing this little shop, or either the bank. It's more like these bank pieces in here, and it's just this little shop. It's just really cool. So let's go to the box art and the instructions now. Getting not 1 but 2 instruction manuals, the same print on both. Only this one. First one makes the card and the side build. Makes the Red Sun motorcycle thing and the panda shop. Now the second one makes the truck piece that you can fit Red Sun's motorcycle inside of it, which I think is a really cool feature. If you know Monkie Kid has this minifigure here, and the more you continue, the faster he runs and the farther he gets. So in the end, he will be running with you through the building process. And also every time that you finish something small or big or whatever, give these little sparkles around it, which is really cool. And if you continue to build, not sure where that is, we'll also show some sparkles. Yeah, like here, there's this giant explosion of little stars that are showing you that you've finished your Lego set. And also, Monkie Kid is really happy as well that you succeed. On the end are some advertising for the other sets that you can buy, and some listed up pieces that you are all getting in the set. At the back is some art as well. I knew it's this win action. I really like this cartoonish design. It's really cool. This is the box art, and it has some more Monkie Kid design at the top. It has all the figures listed up with their names. You can see what's going on in this set and all the things you are getting. And I like that they are continuing this with cartoonish things. At the back it's not a lot of cartoon things, but you can just see the play features that are in there. Also has this shooting flame pieces. Oh, I think this cup is like to work on this bike. Why would they do that? It's just funny. Yeah, I really like this set. It's such a cool set, and not only because of this little cute panda build, but yeah, it's a really cool truck as well. And you can even use this truck as a normal truck, I think, if you change it a little bit, if you change the wheels and something around it. Yeah, it's cool. So this was my review of Red Sun's Inferno truck, and it's a really cool build, really fun build, really interesting, with a lot of techniques that are just cool to build. And as a showing off model, this is really nice as well. This is more like a play set than like a showing off set to me. And yeah, you got a lot of bulls in all of these Monkie Kid sets. And what I really like, the best thing about this, is the white bananas and the white frogs. Those are just crazy to get in that color. And the delivery truck, little tuk-tuk, is just so cool. Also appreciating that they're making this little tree build at the side of the panda shop and the panda face on top. It's just really cool. The truck is epic with some nice play features. And yeah, this is a must buy if you're into like Japanese cartoonish things. It's just so cool. And I hope you enjoyed the review, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments which Monkie Kid sets you like the most, and if you like this set as well. And yeah, I wish you all a nice day, and I will see you all next time. Ciao.